Step 1. Use an elongated line technique to roughly outline the general direction of the backdrop. Step 2. Define the shape. Further refine the form and establish the light and shadow boundaries, including the projection lines. When indicating the light and dark division of the backdrop, make sure the lines are softer. Use the line work to distinguish the tape for the projection of the backdrop. Start from the visual center and push outward toward both sides. The backdrop has many folds. Step 3. Lay down colors. Start by unifying all the dark areas of the object. Then fill in the dark tones. Then represent the inherent color of the dark backdrop. For this, apply a light gray tone evenly. Apply to diagonal layers of tone with a slight gap between them. Don't make it too dense. Step 4. Smudge and blend. Fold the tissue into a triangle. Begin wiping from the visual center and move outward. This applies to any object you paint. For the soft light areas on the backdrop, you can gently rub them out with your fingertip or tissue. Then, use a sponge ball to gently wipe over the entire area. The key is to sweep lightly, not forcefully. Because if you wipe too hard, your pencil marks will be taken away by the sponge. Afterward, use a highlight eraser to adjust the areas you've wiped. Step 5. With a sense of shaping, make deeper adjustments to the dark areas. Step 6. Start shaping from the visual center and move from the main to the secondary elements in your painting. Did you learn it?